I made breakfast for everyone. Let's eat together. I comb my hair to leave early today, so I'll get ready quickly. I plan to do some grocery shopping after lunch. Do we need anything? I'll take out the trash after dinner. I'm doing laundry today. Do you have any clothes that need washing? I'm thinking of redecorating my room. What do you think of this color? I'm cleaning the kitchen this time, but please keep it clean. I'm wiping the glasses. Would you help me? I'm thinking of cooking pasta for dinner. Does that sound good? I'm planning to visit Grandma this weekend. Would you like to come along? I have a new recipe I want to try for dinner tonight. I noticed we're running low on milk. I'll add it to the shopping list. I'm organizing my closet today. Do you need any help with yours? I'm going to bed early tonight. Good night, everyone. I noticed you seemed a bit down today. Is everything okay? I want to go for a walk in the park. Do you want to join me? I'm reading a great book right now. Would you like to hear about it? I'm thinking of going for a jog. Do you want to come with me? I'm doing household chores with my mom. I'll be studying for my exams this weekend. I'm feeling a bit tired. I think I'll take a nap. I need to finish some work, so I'll be in my room for the next hour. I have some extra time today, so I'll cook a special dinner. I'm washing the dishes now, don't bring more later. I'm coming from the kitchen, wait for me at the dinner table. I love to read a good book before sleeping. I'm trying a new exercise routine. Want to join me? I'll be baking cookies this evening. Would you like to help?